Hello there, Ricky Tang here. Now, I use a desktop computer for mainly watching YouTube, watching Netflix and all that sort of thing, but also use it to make my YouTube videos. And as a result, the fans are spinning hard and they're spinning often, and the computer gets covered in dust and sucks up a lot of dust inside the unit. Now, I haven't blown out the dust in a long time, so I have an air blower there. I have the desktop ready to get a good blow job. No, anyway, yeah, let's see how we get on.